Welcome, everyone. Welcome back to the wood hole, everybody. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. It's nice and cool this morning. Super cool out. Got a little bit of cloud cover. Just kind of out here going to get some firewood. This balsam right here behind us. Yeah. That's what we got going on today. I hope you're all having a great day. And welcome to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you coming in. Thanks for joining in the comments and going back. And I noticed some people are looking at the older videos, and I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. And I know some of my videos go on a little bit, you know, a little bit too much or whatever, but it's a dance, you know what I mean? Because as a YouTube person such as myself, you know, of course, you know, we all want more subscribers and more whatever, but that's secondary to me. What's first is doing things and showing things that could possibly help someone out. So I try to cover those kinds of things, at least a few of those in each one of my videos. And I know sometimes, you know, like this right here, it could be boring to people and they'll just skip right through it. But then wonder at the end, well, what happened to this? Well, 99% of the time, those questions are answered in the video if you watch more of the video. Okay? And I've been trying to cut back on my time on my videos, and I've done well. I used to make 30-minute videos all the time. Now I'm at least getting it cut back to maybe 20, 15, somewhere in that range, you know, because to me, shorts are shorts. That's just zip, zop, bang, 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 boom. You're done. You're in and out. Yep, get lots of views, but did anybody learn anything from it? Maybe, but more than likely, probably not. Unless it's, you know, like bending a bar back. The way that TazMan does it. All right, we're going to get after this. I'll show you what we got going on. We're going to go right back down the road again. In the wood hole, right? This tree's got some old scars from, I would say, logging or someone pulling wood out at some point in time throughout the life of the tree. I'm going to zoom this out some. There's our tree. It's leaning. It's got to lean right towards me. That would go, if I fell it right into its main lean, it would go right across the road. And we don't want that, right? But it also has, see that lean? Let me get back. I'm also trying to figure out how to show this better. Okay, this is our tree. This is our tree right here. This one right here. Okay. See how it goes up? See where the road is? The road's right here, right where the TazXP's land. That's the road, that direction. See how it leans across the road? But then it sweeps back up at the top. And the top lean goes down the road. Goes that way. So we're going to use the top of it and direct it that way down the road. We're running the TazXP today. This is the new 50mm build. Aaron Lynch. Hot rod. Oh yeah. 28-inch. Full house. Square grind. How many times have we heard that? But it works really well. Square cutter, square jig. That's right. Go there, check it out.